Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn a new unit. The theme of the unit is family. What do you observe in this picture? Yes, we observe two different type of families. The first one is we see father, mother and their two children. In the second image, we see a joint family, means consisting of grandfather, grandmother, parents and their children. So if you observe this two, we can say that first one is a small family and second one is a joint family. In joint family, we see grandparents, parents, uncles, aunts, and their children, right? So, in the second image, we see all of them, whereas in the first image, we see only parents and their children. So, here we have some questions. What do you observe in the above picture? We observe a picture of families. What do you mean by family? Yes, uh, a group of people living together. What type of families do we find in our present society? We find small families, big families, and joint families. Which family do you like? Do you like small family or big family? Yes, we like big families. Today we are going to learn a story which is related to family. In this story, we have three characters. One is Gopi, and the second is Kamala, and the third is a old lady who is the mother of Kamala and Gopi. So the name of the lesson is The Tattered Blanket. When he arrived unexpectedly at his home in the countryside in his office car and got down at the gate, his mother, who was lying in an armchair on the veranda, made a futile attempt to get up. Kamala, there is somebody at the gate, she said. Somebody is in a car. So, I have told you before also, the story involves three characters. So, here when he arrived unexpectedly at his home in the countryside in his office car. So, he means who? Gopi. When he arrived unexpectedly means in a way that is not expected. Means it is like a surprise. He Unexpectedly, he arrived at his home in the countryside in his office car. He came to his home unexpectedly in his office car and got down at the gate. And he got down near the gate. His mother, who was lying in an armchair on the veranda, made a futile attempt to get up. Futile means unsuccessful. Means as she is old, she was unable to get up quickly. So she made an attempt to get up and see who has arrived near the gate. Then she was, Kamala, there is somebody at the gate, she said. So she tried to get up, but as she is old, she was unable to get up, and she was calling her daughter Kamala, saying that there is somebody at the gate and somebody in the car. Kamala, her eldest daughter, a widow who was sitting huddled up on the tinna on the veranda, her head and ears covered with a thin bath towel, got up reluctantly, walked slowly to the gate, and screwing up her eyes, peeped into the darkness. Kamala, her elder daughter, means she Gopi and Kamala are brother and sisters, and Kamala is the elder one. She is a widow. Widow means a woman whose husband has died, who was sitting huddled. Huddled means held arms and legs close because of fear or cold. Means she was she held her arms and legs very close. Normally, when it is cool, we will be sitting. Like the same way, she huddled up on the tinna. Tinna means elevated place on the veranda. Her head and ears covered with a thin bath towel. Means she covered her head and ears with a thin bath towel. Got up reluctantly. Reluctantly means not willing to do something. Normally, if we have a cool climate, even we also cover ourselves with a blanket and sit very close, and we don't like to do anything. In the same way, she also was not willing to do anything, but she got up and went walked slowly to the gate. Means she went near the gate and screwed up her eyes, peered into the darkness. Screwing up eyes means narrowing the eyes to look more carefully. And peeped means to look closely or carefully at someone, means she was trying to see who the person has arrived near the gate. She saw a bald, fat, middle aged man walking in through the gate. She saw a man with bald, fat, and middle, means she observed a person with bald head and who is fat, and he is middle aged. He was walking in through the gate. Oh, Gopi, she said in her grating voice. Why this sudden unexpected visit? Then she recognized that person was Gopi, and she said, Oh Gopi, she said in her grating voice, means in correcting way. She was correcting her voice and saying, Oh Gopi, what is sudden means why this sudden unexpected visit? Means he came unexpectedly. So she was asking, what a sudden visit. Kamala, who is it? Her mother asked loudly from the veranda. So the old lady was asking her daughter, who is it? Means she was asking very loudly from the veranda that who has come. Gopi, the man said, there was a meeting in Tiruvananthapuram. I just dropped in on my way back. Then Gopi said, this is Gopi. There was a meeting in Tiruvananthapuram. I just dropped in on my way back. Means he went to attend the meeting in Tiruvananthapuram, and while returning to his home, he went to his mother's, means he went to his hometown. Who, Kamala, who is it? There was a note of alarm in Amma's voice. Then again the old lady was asking, who? Oh, who Kamala? Who is it? Then she was little bit afraid and she was asking, who has come? Amma, why are you so scared? Kamala, Gopi's eldest sister, asked her a little awkwardly, as if you are seeing Gopi for the first time. So then when that old lady was asking Kamala frequently that who has come, then Kamala was saying that, Amma, why you are so scared? Scared means frightened. Why you are behaving as if you are seeing Gopi for the first time. Means she was saying that why you're afraid and why you're behaving like this as if you're seeing Gopi for the first time. Amma, it's me, Gopi, he said again. Then, as she was afraid, then Gopi told to the old lady that, Amma, it's me, Gopi. He bent down and brought his face close to her wrinkled cheeks. Amma, it's me. Then what he did, as the old lady is not recognizing Gopi, he bent down and brought his face closer to her wrinkled cheeks. Means wrinkled means having small lines because of old age. And he was saying, Amma, it's me, Gopi. Kamala, I can't believe it. Has his school closed for vacation? Then, when Gopi bent down and uh, brought his face close to her, then she recognized and she was telling to Kamala that whether Gopi's Gopi has vacation. Means she is still thinking that Gopi is still in school, and she was asking that has his school closed for vacation. Amma is often like this these days. She doesn't recognize anybody, Gopi's sister explained, but sometimes her memory is quite sharp. Then she asked me if you have sent any letter. I tell her everything is fine with you, Vimala and the kids. What is the point of telling her that you haven't written for a year? Poor thing, I wouldn't dream of making her unhappy. So, this as she is very old, she was unable to recognize Gopi. After recognizing, she is still thinking that as she is old, she lost her memory power, and she was thinking that Gopi is still in schooling. That's why she was asking that whether his school closed for vacation. Later, uh, Kamala was explaining the condition of Amma to Gopi, saying that Amma is often like this these days. She doesn't recognize anybody. Gopi's sister explained, but sometimes her memory is quite sharp. Then she asked me if you have sent any letter. Then sometimes she'll be behaving as if she don't recognize anybody, and sometimes she'll be quite sharp and asking that whether you have sent a letter. I'll tell her everything is fine with you, Vimala, and the kids. Then Kamala will be saying that everything is fine with Gopi, his wife Vimala, and the kids. What is the point of telling her that you haven't written for a year? A poor thing. I wouldn't dream of making her unhappy. So she don't want to make Amma unhappy. That's why she used to lie, saying that Gopi has written the letter. I got a promotion. I got a promotion last year. After that, I am always on my toes. And there are tours quite often. I don't get any time to write letters. Then Gopi was explaining to Kamala that he got a promotion last year, and after that I'm always on my toes. On my toes means busy. After he got a promotion, he was busy, and there was quite frequent tours, and he was means he didn't get any time to write the letter. Why do you ask Vimala? Why don't you ask Vimala? Why don't you ask Vimala to write? Or doesn't she get any time to? Then uh, Kamala was asking Gopi that, okay, you're busy, then why can't you ask your wife Vimala to write? Is she also busy? Means she is questioning Gopi that even Vimala is also busy. What are you mumbling over there? Amma said loudly. As Kamala and Gopi are talking to each other, then mother was shouting loudly, saying that what are you mumbling over there? Mumbling means speaking unclearly and quietly. I heard somebody coming in a car. Who is it? As she uh, lost her memory power, again she was asking that I heard somebody coming in a car. Who is it? Means she is again asking that who has come to their home. I told you it's Gopi. Then Kamala was saying that I told you that it's Gopi. Then she'll be questioning that, but Gopi is in Delhi, isn't he? Then Gopi is answering his mother saying that, yes, Amma, it's me. I have come from Delhi. Then as this old lady is questioning that he lives in Delhi, then Gopi was explaining that, yes, I am Gopi. I have come from Delhi. Who did Gopi marry? Amma said suddenly, lowering her voice. I mean, what's his wife's name? Then Amma was asking that to whom Gopi was married. Means she was saying that I forgot the name of his wife. Then don't you say you have forgotten her name too? Don't you remember Vimala, district collector Nambiar's eldest daughter, Gopi's sister said. Then who is Gopi's sister here? Kamala. Then Kamala was saying to her mother that you don't say that you have forgotten her name too. Uh, don't you remember Vimala, district collector Nambiar's eldest daughter? Oh, I forgot the name. Was there a letter from Gopi today? There was, he writes every day. So the old lady says that, oh, I forgot the name of her, means name of Gopi's wife. And again she was asking that whether Gopi has written a letter today. Then again Kamala was lying that there was, he writes every day. Means she will be saying that yes, he writes letter every day. Hard words from the lesson are tattered, unexpectedly, futile, huddled, reluctantly, screwing, peed, Tiruvananthapuram, awkwardly, wrinkled, mumbling, district collector. Students, I want you to write these words in your notebooks and learn the spellings of these words. And home assignment for you is write the hard words in your notes and find the meanings of them. You have to write these hard words which I have given you and you have to find the meanings for them. Okay, students, we will continue the lesson in the next class. Thank you. Have a good day.